Welcome to the Great Garden channel. To keep your plants vibrant and full of blooms, the secret doesn't lie in expensive fertilizers, but in how you care for them every day. Today, I will show you how to make a natural fertilizer using simple, easy-to-find ingredients that you most likely already have at home. Most importantly, this formula can be applied to all the plants in your garden. After a short period of application, you will easily notice clear improvements. Roots. More new roots emerge with green, plump, healthy tips that anchor better to the growing medium. Orchid leaves. Darker green, thicker, and glossier, the leaves look firm and healthy, with significantly reduced wrinkling or dullness. Flower spikes and buds. Strong development, evenly sized buds, and vigorous spikes. Signs that the plant is thriving and ready for a beautiful blooming season. Let's get started. To make this organic fertilizer, I use sugar. Sugar contains natural carbohydrates that provide energy for beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium, promote the decomposition of organic matter, and help the roots absorb nutrients more effectively. I add 1 spoonful of sugar to a clean glass cup. Then add 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature to help extract the nutrients from the sugar. Next, stir well until the sugar is completely dissolved in the water. Finally, I let the solution sit for about 1 hour so that the nutrients can be fully released. At the same time, I use instant dry yeast as the next ingredient. First, pour 500 milliliters of hot water into a clean glass cup. Next, add 1 spoonful of instant dry yeast to the prepared cup of water. Instant dry yeast contains many beneficial microorganisms, natural enzymes, B group vitamins, and bioactive compounds that help stimulate the breakdown of organic matter and improve the growing medium environment. Then, stir well until the yeast is completely dissolved, activating microbial activity and forming a uniform solution that is ready for the next steps of use. Finally, allow the solution to sit for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, I combine the sugar solution with the instant dry yeast solution. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Finally, add 1 liter of water to dilute the solution. Now the organic solution is ready to use. Let's apply it to the plants in the garden to help them stay healthy and grow better. Method 1. First, pour the sugar solution mixed with instant dry yeast into a small, clean cup. Then, use a soft cloth or a cotton pad to gently soak and carefully wipe each side of the orchid leaves. The sugar and yeast solution helps remove dust and residue from the leaf surface while providing natural energy, B group vitamins, and beneficial microorganisms. This supports metabolic processes and helps the orchid leaves become greener, thicker, healthier, and naturally glossy. Bread yeast also helps limit harmful bacteria and mold, creating a stable environment for the plant to grow sustainably. When wiping, make sure to clean both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the solution is evenly distributed and can be absorbed effectively into the leaf tissue. Applying this method 1 to 2 times per week will help keep the leaves clean and healthy, enhance photosynthesis efficiency, and remain safe without causing waterlogging or damage to the plant. Method 2. Pour the sugar solution combined with instant dry yeast into a watering can. Then gently water around the base of the orchid, so the solution gradually soaks into the growing medium and comes into direct contact with the roots. Sugar provides an easily absorbed energy source that stimulates root activity and beneficial microorganisms. Bread yeast adds beneficial microbes and natural enzymes, helping break down organic matter in the growing medium and improving the plant's ability to absorb nutrients. During the recovery phase or periods of vigorous growth, water once a week. When the plant becomes stable, reduce the application to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain nutrition and support sustainable growth. Method 3. Pour the sugar and bread yeast solution into a spray bottle. Then gently and evenly mist it onto the anthurium plant, including the leaves, stems, base, and leaf joints. Sugar provides an easily absorbed energy source that helps stimulate metabolic processes and increase the plant's vitality. Bread yeast powder supplies beneficial microorganisms, enzymes, and B group vitamins, supporting more efficient nutrient uptake, while also creating an environment that is unfavorable for harmful bacteria and mold to develop. It is recommended to spray once a week during the first month. Once the plant becomes stable, reduce the application to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After each spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the roots and leaves can absorb the nutrients. If water remains on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it away with a soft cloth or clean cotton to remove it completely. This step is very important because standing water can create favorable conditions for fungal diseases to develop. By drying the leaves thoroughly, you proactively prevent harmful agents, reduce the risk of leaf and crown rot, and keep the orchid healthy with thick, glossy green leaves full of vitality. Results after 2 months of application. Many new roots continuously formed with green, plump, glossy, and strong root tips, showing that the plant absorbs nutrients from sugar and bread yeast very effectively, and the recovery process is clearly noticeable. The leaves became darker green, thicker, and shinier. When touched, they feel firm and resilient, indicating that the plant is in a vigorous growth state. New shoots emerging from the base developed evenly and healthily, creating a strong foundation for the next growth stage. This gentle care method using sugar and bread yeast not only helps plants remain healthy and grow steadily, but also brings fresh vitality to the entire garden. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you won't miss more simple and effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos. Don't go anywhere just yet, because right after this, I'll be sharing another recipe that's just as simple, uses easy-to-find ingredients, and delivers results that may surprise many people. Let's keep watching. Is there any onion in your kitchen cabinet? Onions are a familiar ingredient, but their skins actually contain many valuable nutrients that are excellent for orchid care. To make this fertilizer, I only use the dry outer skin of the onion. Onion skins contain many sulfur compounds, vitamins, minerals, and natural antioxidants, which help stimulate root growth, boost the plant's resistance, and limit harmful fungi and bacteria. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Once I've separated the onion skin from the flesh, I use scissors to cut the skins into small pieces and put them into a clean glass cup. Cutting the skins into small pieces helps release the maximum amount of nutrients from the onion peel and increases the surface area, allowing the orchid roots to absorb them more quickly, supporting healthy growth, boosting resistance, nourishing glossy green leaves, and promoting even long-lasting blooms. Next, add 500 milliliters of boiling water to soak the onion skins. Finally, cover the cup and let the solution steep for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, when the mixture has cooled down, I strain it to remove the solids and keep only the concentrated liquid. Add 1 liter of filtered water at room temperature to dilute the solution. Next, add 1 spoon of fresh milk to the onion skin solution. Then stir well to ensure the 2 liquids blend completely, forming a uniform mixture ready to be used for your orchids. That's it. The solution is now ready to be used as an organic fertilizer. Method 1. First, pour the prepared onion skin and fresh milk solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or a cotton pad to gently soak up the solution and carefully wipe each side of the orchid's leaves with slow, gentle motions. When wiping the leaves, dirt and dust are removed, allowing the plant to absorb light more effectively, while also reducing the risk of bacteria, mold, and pests, keeping the leaves clean, glossy, and healthy. Moreover, onion skins contain natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, along with vitamins and minerals, while fresh milk provides protein and nutrients, helping strengthen the leaves, boost metabolism, and enhance the plant's natural disease resistance. You should wipe both sides of the leaves evenly with the diluted onion skin and fresh milk solution. This method should be done 1 to 2 times a week to keep the leaves clean, enhance photosynthesis, prevent fungal diseases, and support sustainable plant growth without damaging the leaf tissue. Method 2. I will continue by pouring the onion skin and fresh milk mixture into a dedicated watering can. Then, gently water around the base of the orchid. This watering method supplies natural nutrients from the onion skins, along with protein, vitamins, and minerals from the milk, while also adding antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant compounds to help the plant grow stronger and healthier. Onion skins contain plenty of nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and essential trace minerals, helping the plant absorb nutrients effectively and promoting overall growth. The natural compounds from onion skins and milk help suppress fungal diseases, improve aeration in the growing medium, and create a healthy environment for beneficial microorganisms to thrive. Method 3. Pour the onion skin and fresh milk solution into a dedicated spray bottle and mist it evenly over the entire plant, including the leaves, stem, roots, and leaf axils. Spraying the solution helps the nutrients from the onion skins and milk coat the entire plant evenly, forming a natural protective layer that strengthens the plant and helps prevent bacteria, fungi, and pests. You should spray both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the solution can penetrate deeply, clean the leaves, enhance photosynthesis, and stimulate lush growth with glossy green leaves and strong, healthy roots. This method should be done once a week during the first month, then reduced to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. The results after 2 months are truly amazing. The orchid leaves become deep green, glossy, and thick, while new leaves grow vigorously, full of life, photosynthesizing efficiently to nourish all the young shoots. The root system develops strongly, producing many new plump, white roots that anchor firmly to the growing medium, allowing the plant to absorb water and nutrients optimally, making the entire plant much healthier. Flower buds and flower spikes grow evenly and sturdily, ready to burst into brilliant blooms. Many buds appear, large, brightly colored, and long-lasting, while the flowers bloom one after another, creating a vibrant, lively orchid pot for many weeks. Enjoy every moment of caring for your orchids. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our latest orchid care tips. Goodbye for now, and see you again in the next video on the Great Garden channel.